The Legacy trip will provide an even deeper experience as you will be and participate at the source where our oils come from.
It is just amazing to see in person and on the ground how doTERRA is working with the farmers and to see the distilleries and the labs.
Ist es etwas, was mich doTERRA noch viel, viel verbundener fühlen lässt und wo ich weiß, dass wir alle genau am richtigen Platz sind.
To speak with the farmers, to speak with the distillers, to see the whole process of the testing is the most precious thing if you can live it and just experience it.
There's nothing quite like going to a distillery. There's nothing quite like watching the wonderful workers harvest the materials that bring us these amazing and powerful essential oils, and there's nothing like thanking them.